Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from group 8 and my name is Muhammad Amirul Amin bin Kamian. So today we are going to present about our project, which is automatic door system using flowchart. So the next part is about our objective of our project. So first of all, our project is to be considered for the purpose of safety and simplicity. So this design of automatic door is applied to public places with large traffic flow. After that, the design of automatic and control system of automatic door based on PLC needs to consider the practically and safety in real life to ensure the safety of the passing object under the guarantee of smooth operation of the automatic door. After that is planning the PLC project using the flowchart. So we using flowchart to make our project. After that, define the function of model PLC S7-300 model based on the function and features. The second last is explaining how the ladder diagram of automatic door works with the aid of work online simulator. And last but not least of our objective is building the mechanism of automatic door by using the PLC program, which is CX programmer. The next part is list of equipment. So basically our project have 3 equipment, which is input equipment, output equipment and PLC model. So our input equipment is we use infrared sensor, negative I 0.0. Second one is closing limit switch, which is negative I 0.1, and the last one is opening limit switch, which is negative I 0.2. Our output equipment is first is opening motor, which is negative Q 0.0, and the second one is closing motor, which is Q 0.1. So our project use PLC model S7-300. Next, I would like to explain about our introduction of our project, which is automatic door model. S7-300 is the type of PLC model we use in the project as the processor to control the automatic door. So basically the automatic door model has complete sensor and signal, which is represented by opening and closing the door that serve as automatic door for every unit. So for your information, the biggest feature of the automatic door is that it can complete the automatic door opening and closing action without being supervised, which give people great convenience. After that, the automatic sliding door uses the inductive switch and safety grating to realize automatic control. And then the motion detector will detect the motion of the people or object and give the appropriate output according to the circuit. The second last is this system of automatic door model achieves this functionally with help of passive infrared sensor, which is PIR sensor. Lastly, the signal is then processed and the door is open and closed based on this data. So this is my last part of my presenting, which is I will explain about the safety and health precaution regulations. First of all is automatic sliding door. Okay, before that, I would like to tell you about the automatic door have 4 variation, which is automatic sliding doors, automatic swing doors, automatic folding door and revolving doors. Okay, first of all, in automatic sliding doors, the danger points are where the 2 leaves come together and at the 2 closing edge. The use of sensor and pocket screens into the door slot can help to reduce hazard. The second one is automatic swing doors. The danger of the point where the door closes into the frame and the secondary closing edge where the floor pivots. Finger entrapment protection will limit the potential danger at the secondary closing edge. The third one is automatic folding door. The main danger points are where the leaves come together. The profile design on the secondary closing edge can help to prevent finger entrapment. The last but not least is revolving door. A typical revolving door has several potential danger points due to the number of closing edge. On the top of the moving leaf, there should be a safety sensor, and the leading mullion, a safety strip is required. So I would like to give to my group member to continue this presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Aiman bin Muhammad Nizam. Today I'm going to present the simulation of the proposed project, which is automatic door opening system by using CX programmer. As you can see, this is the CX programmer software, and this is the ladder diagram. First, I will explain the input and output device that we use in the simulation. For input device, we use start push button with address 0.00, stop push button with address 0.01, open limit switch with address 0.03, infrared sensor with address 0.02, and close limit switch with address 0.04. For the output device, we use relay with address 100.00, opening door motor with address 100.01, and closing door motor with address 100.02. So we continue to the simulation. You need press the work online simulator. As you can see, the simulation is start. In round 0, the normally open contact start push button is connected in parallel with relay 1 and connected in series with stop push button to control relay 1. The function of latching, this is the latching, is to keep relay 1 turned on when the start button is released. So if start button is on, the relay 1 is on. If start button is released, the relay 1 remains turned on. So in round 1, if infrared sensor detect anyone enter the sensing area, it will turn on, and the opening door motor will start to run. And the door will touch the open limit switch. So open limit switch it will be turned on. If infrared sensor not detect anybody in the sensing area, infrared sensor it will be turned off. The timer will be executed if the open limit switch is turned on and the infrared sensor is turned off. In round 3, after the timer run for 8 seconds, the closing door motor it will start to run. After the closing motor start to run, open limit switch will be turned off. The door will close until the close limit switch is touched together. If close limit switch is touched together, means the switch is turned on and the closing door motor stop to run. Okay, during the closing process, wait, okay, during the closing process, if someone enter the sensing area, it will be turned on. The closing door motor will stop to run immediately. And the opening door motor will start to run again, and the door will reopen again. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Fazidin bin Yahya. I'm from group 8. So today I would like to present about the project that group 8 have done. So I will go with the summary and the conclusion of the project. So for the summary, as you can see, there is a Gantt chart at the slide. So based on the Gantt chart, you can see our progress of the project. So on 8/18 we get the group member. At the 19 we create a platform so that our group member can stay connect for each other. So we decide to make a WhatsApp group. So after that we take about 2 days, which is on 20 and 21st, to discuss about the project and select the project. So at the 21st we have choose to do the automatic door project. So on the same day we divide the task or the work for each group member. So we divide the task so that all the group member get the same quality of work. So after that we are given 3 days, which is on 22nd, 23rd and 24th, to complete our task. And then on the 25th of May, all the group member need to send the words to the compiler, the report to the compiler, and the compile session, which is me, I done the compile session. So on the next day, all the group member go to the video part. So we decide to make a video, and on the second last day, which is yesterday, we all send our task to the video compiler. And yeah, today, which is the last day of the report sending, which is 28th of May, we managed to upload the video and send the report through the author. Okay, so now we go to the last part, which is the conclusion. So in conclusion, the C-app programmer is one of the most advanced software that should be used in order to perform C-app PLC circuit and to obtain the ladder diagram. Based on the project given, all our group member find out that we managed to complete the main objective of the project, which is to use the C-app programmer to complete all the tasks given. Other than that, our group member also managed to know on how the automatic door at the store works, because during the discussion we obtained the mechanism of the automatic door using the PLC programmer. So for the last point is, last but not least, the members are able to explain to everybody on how the ladder diagram works with the Art of Word online simulator. So based on the report and the simulation that you see before, we conclude that our project is successful. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.